Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make money, okay? Make money in USD, and then I'll also show you how to withdraw this money you've made into your either bank account, and in case those who use mobile money, they can also withdraw that into their mobile money account, okay? Right, so in case you are new to this channel or your first time watching our video, I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel in case you want to see more of these videos, okay? Because I'll be sharing these videos in the coming weeks, okay? Like the video, share, and in case you have any questions along the video as you watch the video, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. And then in case you were able to do it and then it worked for you, make sure to let us know in the comment section, because I've tried it. That's why I'm also sharing it with you, okay? So with your review will help others also try it the more, okay? Without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So first, I'll leave a link to the website in the video description and then pinned comment, okay? So in case you want to check this out, just use that link and then you be able to start with the money making process, okay? As I initially stated, I've tried it and I will show you the amount I've made so far, okay? Even though I'm not that serious with it, I've made some money, okay? Right, so let's get right into this video. So I'll leave the link to the video in the video description so that you can check it out, okay? Now this is the name of the website, okay? This is the website, okay? Now as soon as the sign up process is very simple, okay? I would just encourage you, or I'll just recommend that you use your Gmail, okay, so that the sign up process will be simple. So they will give you an option to use to insert an email and password, and then maybe a Google account. So in case you have a Gmail account, that is the same as your Google account. So just choose that option so that both your email and password will be inserted directly. And once that's okay, you'll be logged into your account, okay? Now I've already logged into my account. That's why you could see this right here. Forget about the 0.00, okay? I will show you the amount I've made once we go through the video. Now as soon as you do this, they will give you some captcha to go through. Now this is for making captchas, okay, or filling in captchas. In case you don't know what captchas are, they are the ones that you will see on websites where they will tell you to choose trains, choose whatever. So I will show you, or fill in some numbers or alphanumeric stuff. So I will show you throughout the process, okay? Now once you sign up, they will tell you to first take a trial. So for this trial, you have to be able to do it. They are around 16 or so, okay? And then in case you are doing it and you get it wrong, they will show you what to do to get that correct, and then you go ahead with the process. So now let me show you how you make the real money. So first, let me show you the amount I've made so far, and then how you can withdraw this money. I'll show you that I'm going closer to the end of the video. Now let me show you what you do. So once you come to this website, or once you log in after doing the 16 trials, this is where you start with the 16 trials. So you notice that there's start work over here. Just click on the start work. That's where you start with 16 trials. But before you do the 16 trials, they will tell you to choose a language, okay? For you, I would urge you to just choose English language, because that will be simpler for you to understand. Now, so you could notice that these are finances, and then let me show you that this website is actually legitimate, okay? This website is actually legitimate. So when you get to this place, you could notice that is the number one in the monitoring service rating, okay? Number one. And then look at the affiliated websites, okay? These are affiliated websites. You could notice that this is very legitimate, okay? Now let's proceed. Now this is what you do once you get to, or you open this website. Click on start work. Now the reason why I'm saying that you can make $200 a day, okay, within 24 hours, okay, I'll show you why it's possible that you can make this amount of money. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, and depends on the time you have. You can make the amount you want. Okay, after that you just withdraw. Now you can notice that they are telling us to download their app. For the purposes of this video, I would urge you to maybe download the app later, okay, because using the app will make it easier. The user interface when using this app is cool, okay, when it comes to using this app, okay, but using the website is okay, but I'll urge you to download the app, okay, in case you want to use it and then enjoy using it. Okay, for this purpose I'll just click on that. Now this is how it works. Okay, so once you click on the start work after doing the 16 trials, okay, just click on the start work as I click, and then when you get to this point they will tell you to click on start work. Now look at something. Per every captcha you solve, you get 0.26 cents. Okay, the thing is, it depends. Okay, some are 0.24, some are 0.25, some are 0.45, some even go up to 0.5. okay, it depends. Now let me show you something. Once you solve this captcha, the money updates over here. Okay, the money updates on top right there. So let me try solving a first one so that you know. Okay, you see how the money updates. So let's solve this captcha. Okay, so we have to get it right. Okay, we will have to get it right. After solving that, just click on the correct sign. You can notice that the money has updated over here. Okay, and then it shows that I've solved one captcha. Okay, and then this has reduced 98%, so meaning that I'm left with 999. Now one thing about this captcha is that once you solve it, the money keeps adding up. Okay, and as the money keeps adding up, provided you get it correct, you will notice that this has also updated. Okay, 52 is, some of them are very, very simple, some are also difficult, so try as much as possible to get it right so that the money will keep updating. Now I'll show you how you can make this amount of money. That's either $100, $50, $200. Okay, it depends on you. Okay, so let's see. You can notice that I'm getting these right. Okay, you can notice that I'm getting all these right. So you can notice that we have 52. So let's see. So you can notice that it has gone to 78, and then I've done 3 captures and then 98%. That's because I'm getting them right. Okay, for you might not be able to get it right, so it depends. Okay, but make sure you get it right. Now I'll show you how you multiply this amount of captures to get the money. Okay, now let me do this, and then let me show you how you can get this amount of money. Okay, so you can notice that it has increased to 104. Okay, now let me show you how you can actually get this amount of money. So let's say you want maybe 150 or whatever amount you want to make. Okay, so let's say one captcha is 0.26. okay, and then you just do 50 captures. Okay, you do 50 captures, you are getting $13. Okay, and then let's say you do 100 captures, that's $26. Okay, let's say you want to do 100, you want to do maybe 260. That means you have to do 1,000 all the 1,000 captures. But let's say you want just a few. Okay, let's say you do 400 captures, that's $100 plus. Okay, that is why I'm saying that you can actually do this and get a lot of money. Okay, so you notice that as I went out to do the calculation, this has popped up. Okay, so you can actually see that I can continue to start work. But let's say I want to go back and show you some of the amount of money I've made. Okay, after that I will show you how to withdraw the money. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so I want to show you the amount of money I've made so far. So from here you can notice that I've made this amount 0.325. okay, over here, and then the one I was just doing right now, okay, 0.0098. okay, right, that is how you make money. Okay, after that you withdraw. Okay, now let me show you how, after making this amount of money, how you can withdraw this money. Okay, now when you want to withdraw your money, you have to link your payment method. Okay, have to link your payment method, and then you can also transfer this amount into another account. Okay, so in order to withdraw, you just click on request payout. Okay, now from here you can notice that we haven't added any payout. Okay, so you are told to change our wallets. Now these are the payout options you have. Okay, so you can either use web money, perfect money, Bitcoin, add cash, payer, ATM, Bitcoin Cash, and then USDT. Now I'll encourage you to use Bitcoin or whatever you want, because you can actually withdraw via Binance. Okay, so in case you want me to make a separate video on how to withdraw this amount of money, just leave that comment in the comment section. I'll respond to that and do a separate video on how to withdraw. Okay, some may know how to withdraw via Binance, okay, some may not. So in case you want me to do a separate video, just leave that in the comment section. I'll respond to that and then do a separate video on how to withdraw your money from this account. Okay, now I'll do a separate video on another way to earn money via another account, okay, sorry, another website. Okay, and then after that I'll also upload another video on how to earn real money. Okay, you can earn $100, $200, okay, it depends, by chatting with people. Okay, in case this video was helpful, okay, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on our future videos. Like the video, share, and then I'll see you in our next video. Have a lovely day.